Welcome back, guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Now I'm going to show you two options. As you can see, I am on my Instagram. I want to reply to this person. Now for me to reply to this person, I will show you two options. Now the first option, you will wipe this message on the right this way. Now you can reply to that message and then click send. Or another option, you can long press the message that you want to reply to. You can long press it that way and click reply option, and then you can send your reply. Just as simple as that. Now if this video has helped you, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.